So today we have a big day. My 98 S70 T5 is going to get the hopefully finalize the exhaust fabrication. It starts off, I've got a downpipe. Looks like an old OBX straight flange downpipe, which fits in and goes down and then terminates to a V-band clamp down under there. You can see it. You can see some of the protective flex is gone, but the pipe itself is in sound shape, so I'm going to use it. Now if you look, I could just run a straight run back, and I've got basically a straight pipe exhaust that was custom built for this car, that the car came with. It was very loud. I did not like it. I'm going to use a Eurosport tuning piece that I have along with some of this exhaust piping and try to get this thing all mocked up and put together so that yeah, we have a nice performance exhaust system. Here is the other parts. There's the Eurosport tuning piece and some various bits and bobs, including the V-band clamp setup, various bungs. I got to add bungs. Oh, what's this? Anybody know what that is? Yeah, I'm going to use that too. And then I got a piece of 2.5 inch, and this is all 2.5 inch, so I'm going to get working on that. I am going to run, this is the 3 inch that I'm going to run, and then go back. I like to go back about 3 feet from where it swoops in, but we'll see where I end up with the materials I have in hand. So we've got the Eurosport tuning exhaust piece ready to mount. So I'm going to mount this first and then go from there. So we've got the Eurosport tuning exhaust mounted up, and we're going to take this and go under here. We're going to get underneath, and hopefully we can show you how this goes in. This mounts underneath, slides up from the back over the axle, or over, not the axle, but over the rear suspension, because there is no back axle. And I hang these. Okay, I should have hung that first. I'm enjoying the rusty droppings from previous mounts. Okay. It helps to have a pry bar for manipulating some of these drop hooks so they'll work with this one is really tight. And it needs to be bent down more, so I guess that's next on the horizon. I try not to bend this stuff too much because later on I may regret it. They're made to bend a little. Did I ever tell you that I'm not crazy about doing exhaust work? But I do it because I like to control the quality. What I'm doing is a combination of pushing, twisting, and trying to finagle this this rubber bushing, this rubber hanger to this pin. That's the mount. There we go. And you do a combination of hand pressure and leverage. And after you smash your fingers 6-8 times, usually you can conquer it. There we go. There we go. And that looks pretty good. Looks like it'll sit in there just right. Okay. Now, pieces of car. Oh, we've got the downpipe, and then we added a V-band clamp here that I'm going to have to tack weld in. I'll put a spot here and here and here maybe, and get just three holes, three pieces to hold. I'm going to wait on this piece connects here. I think I'm going to wait on that because I'm going to probably clamp that. Then I've got this piece here that runs back to connect up with the 290s that connect up with the Eurosport tuning exhaust. So I've got those pieces, and this is a stepped deal here that goes from 3-inch OD to 3-inch ID to 2.5-inch. So it's a reducer. And I'll weld those together, and I think I'll put a V-band clamp here. I'll weld a couple of hangers on this pipe, and I will weld it or clamp it up where it connects way over there. So I've got basically the Eurosport tuning exhaust coming to a 90, coming to another 90, so it's like an S shape with some twists. And then I'll lift this up, and this I'll V-band clamp those two pieces together. Weld here, weld here. I will not weld here, and I won't. Obviously, that'll be a clamp as well. That's a V-band. So, yeah. So I've got a. This won't be a V-band. I misspoke. This will be a 3-inch wide steel band clamp. So, yep. So I'm ready. I'm gonna do some quick weld ups on this, and yeah, I'm excited. It's coming together quite well, and it's gonna turn out nice. It's hard to shoot a good shot of what this looks like, but I'll give it my best. Showing, you know, we see the downpipe, and it comes down and swoops here, and then goes straight back all the way to the rear. And so this is all 3-inch. So you got a 3-inch downpipe that travels pretty much to here, which is it's a past. It's about right. It terminates under the seat bottom, the back of this of the front seats. Then it turns to 2.5 for the remainder of the trip, as it goes out through that Eurosport tuning exhaust. And there's another look at it from the back to the front. And it hangs in, and it's got a nice chrome tip. It's not new, but hey, it's gonna look good. It's gonna sound good. More importantly, it's gonna work properly. And it's harder to see because of the lighting, but it hops up over the rear suspension, and I've got a spacer board kind of tucked in there, and then here I'll clamp it. Right here, we'll clamp it. And then this piece comes down, swoops to this one. I had to cut this one short to get this dimension correct, and came out very well. As you can see, it lines up very well with the rest of it. So it's gonna be great. It's gonna work well. Oh yeah, custom exhaust, folks. Custom exhaust. Shoo-wee!